So here you can see my breakfast page that's coming soon, and I want to add basically a link to link to that page and have it look like this with all my breakfast recipes. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first I'll go to my dashboard and then find the breakfast page that I've already created. So go to all pages, scroll through all my pages here, and not seeing it. Probably on the second page. Actually, maybe what I'll do is I will create a new page, because what's happening with these pages that I've already created is they're not linking up to my menu. And if I create a new one, then it automatically creates a new page on my menu, and then I can just add it to where I want it on my menu bar. So I'll go ahead and create a new page here, call it breakfast. Okay, and then I'm going to go to page builder, and I want to add a row. So I want 3 columns in my row. I'm just going to increase that and insert it. And I want to duplicate this row because one row I want for images and the other row I want for text. So I'll just duplicate the row here. That's it. And what I want to do is highlight one of the boxes and add a widget. So I'm going to scroll down to add an image widget, and then on the bottom one I want a text widget. So I'll open that up and grab the text. There we go. So now I will edit the widget. So I want to choose media, but first what I want to do is I want to show you how to resize the image, because each image has to be the exact same size. So I'm going to go to that recipe post and just drag the image from the actual post and then resize it. I'll show you how to do that. Sorry, my website is loading really slow. I think I have to restart it. Anyway, I'll just go to recipes here. Scroll down to the Never Get Sick Again smoothie recipe. Then what I want to do is I want to drag this photo here onto my desktop. There we go. I'll go to resize the image, so choose file from my desktop, upload smoothie. Now I want to make all of the widths 180 and all of the heights 244. So we'll click on widths and change that to 180, okay, and height to 244. Okay, then I want to reposition it so it looks nice. That looks pretty good, right about there. And when I have the image I want, I'll click do it, throw that in the trash, the original, and then that generates that. Drag it over back onto my desktop, and then go back to editing my page. I'll click on edit the widget, choose media, drag it into here. You can see I already had it here, but I wanted to show you how to do it. So just grab it, drop it in here, upload it onto the widget. You can see the widths and height there. Then what I want to do is add text, alt text, and destination. I usually grab the destination URL first and copy and paste it into there. And that way I don't have to recopy the title when I go to put it in text. So next I just copy and paste the text that I want for the title and the alt text. And when I put in alt text, I also want to include my website, so if it goes onto Pinterest or something like that, people can click on the image, or it'll show up in the description of the image when it's in the alt text of 4-Hour Body Girl. So I always want to make sure I do that /space and then www.4hourbodygirl.com in the alt text. Make sure you also click open in a new window, and then I just go over to text and paste the title there again. So then that's going to show below the image. And I'll click preview so you can see what it looks like before I publish it. Just make sure everything's lined up properly. Looks good. Alright, and then you can go back here, hit publish. Sorry, my thing is so slow today. Just close these up. Maybe it'll load faster. And there you have it, all done. Got one image, and then if I added the 3 across, it would look just like that recipe page. Once you do the same thing for all 3 rows, you can go ahead and just duplicate the row. That way it will save some of the settings for you, and you can duplicate the text row as well, so you don't have to add in the widgets for a new image. You don't have to click the box to open in a new page. You don't have to add the widget for text. You can just replace the content that's in it, and by just duplicating the row and then using the up-down arrow to place it where you want it to place. I also wanted to show how to add it to the menu as well, because that is really important. Because once you create a page, it automatically gets added to the menu, but it will be at the end of the menu bar, and I don't want that. I want it to be a sub item under recipes, so it doesn't take up the whole top of my header on my web page. So what I'll do is I'll go to Appearances and then go to Menus, and it should appear at the bottom of the menu, of my saved menu here. If I scroll down to the bottom, there it is. And then what I want to do is I want to drag it up under Recipes as the sub item. Oh man, this is really slow. Sorry, it's just stuck. Usually it just slides right up and there's no problem, but I think I need to reload my computer here. Bear with me. So I just drag it up to Recipes. Let's go. I'll get there eventually. Getting closer. Lunch. Jeez. There we go. There's Recipes, and you'll see there's the breakfast one that was created before, but it doesn't link to anything, so I'm just going to remove that one. Even though I had the meta description in there already, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so there we go. So now I've done that. Save menu. Now if I go and visit my site, it should show up under Recipes. Just to double check. There we go. There's the home page. Go to Recipes, and it should pop up breakfast. And then if I click on it, we will see that image. There it is. All right, all done. And that's it. That's how you do it. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.